unboxing of Destiny on PlayStation 4, the white console, and this is Panda, my assistant. So we'll just crack this open. Don't get in the way, Panda. In the box, there's another box. That over there, and Panda will probably play with that. So inside the box, what we see is the white PlayStation 4. There's anything else in the other box. And maybe there wasn't another box. First I'll just get this other box. See it in the packaging there? Panda, get off the box. I'll put this up here. First, what you see is the quick start guide, which is like, normal stuff you get in the box. And the nice white PlayStation 4 controller. It's actually more of a grey than a real deep white. But it's actually quite nice. The plastic and everything. The darkness stands out a lot on the different, against the white, the grey kind of white. Next we have, in this box, the cables. So this is the charging cable for the controller. Little headset, one ear, and mic for online play. It plugs right into the controller. Power cord. It's quite small, like my PlayStation 4 one. And a HDMI cable. So it's good with these packs that actually come with a HDMI cable. So that's good. So now we get to the good part. The PlayStation 4 console. Protective stuff all around it. As you can see again, it's more of a kind of a nice kind of grey than a solid white. It's actually a quite nice colour. It's like a more shiny gloss at the top. No fingerprints, which is good. Looks really nice with the dark black in the middle. And I'm sure it will look really nice with when it glows with the blue colour when it's the system's on. That's it. And what else this bundle comes with is the Destiny game. So that's great. So we all know what that looks like. And that's all in the box. So here it is. The white PlayStation 4 controller and PlayStation 4 console. Destiny bundle. Thank you for watching.